welcome back to my channel and happy holidays. So today I am bringing you guys a really fun and quick recipe that you can make for the holidays or for any family gathering really. One of my personal favorite desserts is key lime pie. One of my favorite ways to make key lime pie is the quick and easy way, which is the way that requires no baking whatsoever. You just need a few ingredients and it takes no more than 15 minutes to make everything, which is pretty cool. So for this recipe, all you'll need is cream cheese, the pre-made graham cracker pie crust, limes, sugar, and condensed milk. And you cannot forget your CBD oil. Now, I personally used the unflavored CBD oil because it doesn't alter the taste of whatever dish it is that you're making. So I used about a milliliter. So I used a full dropper in each of my mini pies and I just mixed that up really good. So I will go ahead and include the measurements down in the description box below. And yeah, that's really all you need. So I ended up making a pie, like a normal key lime pie that everyone can eat, but I also ended up making 2 little mini pies for myself, which I included my Sugar and Kush CBD oil in to keep myself sane and calm throughout these hectic times. The end of the year is always a hectic time because you have all these holidays back to back. There's Halloween, then Thanksgiving, and then Christmas, and then the New Year, and then for me, my birthdays, and it's just like boom, boom, boom. With all that considered, on top of us being in a pandemic, it's totally natural for us to feel, you know, a bit more anxious than usual. Now more than ever, CBD oil is going to come in handy for all of us. And this recipe is not only going to be really tasty, but it's also going to help calm you a little bit too. So that's always great. So the first thing I'm doing is juicing my lime. So this juicer is so handy, but that is what I'm doing. So for this recipe, I started out with a 1/3 cup of lime juice, and that was about 1.5 limes to get me there, but towards the end I ended up adding in more lime juice, which was well over 1/3 of a cup. But this juicer is really handy, and once I have my lime juice, I'm going ahead and dumping everything into the same bowl. 16 ounces of cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, the sugar, as well as the lime juice, and I am mixing everything together, and I'm continuously adding more lime juice. And to top this pie off, I am adding just a couple of fresh slices of limes, and that is my key lime pie. And I love this because it's such a time saver, but it makes it seem like you put in so much effort when you really did not. And it tastes amazing, and yes.
Before we continue, I want it to be known that Sugar and Kush is a CBD company that offers a variety of CBD oils, gummies, cookies, bath bombs, and more recently, skincare products. They provide extensive lab reports on their site for public viewing to ensure that they are using the highest quality of CBD. Sugar and Kush CBD contains 0 THC, so it will not make you psychoactive in any way. Their site also offers 10 solid recipes for you to really maximize the usage of your CBD oil products, but you can definitely create your own recipe ideas like I did today with my key lime pie. Sugar and Kush is having a Black Friday sale where you can save 40% off at checkout by using code EyeCandyC40. Sale ends Tuesday, December 1st at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but after that you can use my normal code EyeCandyC20 to get 20% off. And I do want to disclose that I receive commission, so you are helping me out if you ever use my code.
Once you're done filling that pie crust, you want to go ahead and store this in your refrigerator for at least 4 hours. It's been about 24 hours since I've put mine in the fridge, so mine is good to go. It's nice and set, and so we're going to go ahead and give it a try. And this is so good. So this is perfect to make if you're trying to bring something to like a gathering or just make something for the holidays, but you're pressed for time. Super simple, it's super easy, and the CBD oil in it will definitely keep you relaxed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you are a fan of key lime pie or if you plan on trying out this recipe. And happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!